Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Henry. If this is your first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share to your family and friends so they can access information to websites, particularly WordPress. So today I'll be teaching you something simple, but to some, because they do not know, it is difficult. How to create subdomains. And if you want to create subdomain and your hosting platform is Hostinga, all you need to do is log into your hPanel, and this is the interface of the home. So by your left under home, you see website. Click on website. Once you click on website, this is going to be the new look. Now to your right, where there is tools, WP admin, dashboard, click on dashboard. When you click on dashboard, you are going to see this new look. Now you go to your left where there is dashboard, WordPress. You scroll down over to domains and you click on domains. Once you click on domains, automatically it will take you to subdomains. Now you see create a new subdomain. Now once you create a new subdomain, once you click on once it brings you to this interface. Now look, by your right you see domains here, and you are seeing your main domain here. The reason you are seeing your main domain here is for subdomains, your extension by default is going to be smoothiearena.com. You do not have the privilege here to rename your extension, maybe .com, .ng, .io, or whatever. No. So that is the, will I say, a disadvantage or a rule. Now below you see a box where they say custom folder for subdomains. Now what this means is I want my subdomain. If you click on this thing, you are saying I want to customize my subdomain. Instead of my subdomain being in its default nature, which is public underscore HTML slash whatever subdomain is. Let's say my subdomain is this CTI technologies. Let's say that's my subdomain. So it's going to be public underscore HTML slash CTI technologies. Now it has to be stored in your directory. But then if you click on this custom, now if I unclick, it's gone. If I click on this, I'm saying I do not want it to be like this in its default nature. I want to give it a name. Now you can give it whatever name you want, whichever name that pleases you or you think fits for your subdomain directory to be identified in your directory, such that once you go to your directory, you will see public underscore HTML slash whatever you have named this folder. For me, I want it to be the way it is. Let it be in its default nature. And then I click on create. And then it will load. This is all subdomain created successfully. This is all. You see, list of subdomains, I have just one, so it's going to be this ct-fm underscore html dot smoothiearena.com. Now let's check if this was really created. We go to incognito, paste this and search. Now we see it was created. All we need to do is install WordPress. You can either design with WordPress or AI or whatever you want to. So for me, it is going to be WordPress, but we are not doing that today. I'm just showing you people how to create subdomain. But if you want to know how to install WordPress, very fine. You can check my videos. You always find a solution. Now, if you found this video confusing or you have any question, just drop in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe and like my video. Thank you. See you in my next video.